Hey, you made it back for another video. Let's get into my new unboxing. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Meeks, and I'm back with another unboxing. So today is my Pression Happy Mail that I got. I have been getting my planners together for 2023. This is like my favorite time of the year. So I went ahead and placed an order with my tried and true planner companion, Pression. And this is what I received. So this is obviously a giveaway of what I got. I did get something from the Pression and Gooseby collab. But the first thing that I want to show you guys is this B6 TN that I got. I got a B6 TN because this year I am committed to memory planning. I just wanted to show you guys that this planner belongs to Paige. And then these are the monthlies. So I really like it. It has a lot of space and it has all 12 months. And then these are the weeklies. And I love that the boxes are long and then it gives you two sides for the weekends because that is perfect for memory planning. And I just love grid layouts. They're my favorite. So I know if I'm laying my stickers a little crooked or if I want to be super strategic in my planning, I can. So that's going to be fun for memory planning. And then, look at her. She's so sexy. Oh, she is. Like, look at her. She's so beautiful. So this is the Gooseby green. I went with the olive green. I love it. But look at the leather on the inside, you guys, and the gold hardware. Like, it's so beautiful. This material is so nice to the touch. Like, I love it. I love it. And of course, the see-through pocket. This is so nice. So what I have this planner for is for my business planning. I'm really diving back into B6 size. I haven't been in a B6 like in so long. So I'm really, really excited to get into a B6 size. So I felt like it would be good to go in there with my business planner and with my memory planning. So that is part of my 2023 lineup. I'm really loving how sophisticated and blue that it looks. That is definitely my vibe. I'm just excited for the year. So this made me even more excited. I can't wait to share my setups with you guys and show you guys more as I go in these planners throughout the year. So thank you guys so much for unboxing with me with Pression. If you guys do shop with Pression, be sure to let him know that Nicole sent you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video for more unboxings, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey, thanks so much for hanging out with me and unboxing my new memory planner and business planner in B6 size. I love everything I got from Pression. Be sure to stay subscribed and hit that notification bell so that you can see how I set these planners up and dive into them throughout the year. I'm so excited to get back into memory planning and strategically planning my business, and having you guys along with me along the way is great. Thanks so much again for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.